All right, folks, so we're gonna be touring a beautiful Newmark homes right here in Bridgeland in Cypress, Texas. This property is absolutely beautiful. You're gonna have the waterfall countertops, the cabinet crowning, white cabinetry, plus a lot of the upgrades you would want inside of a property. And if you want more information about it, link in the description below. And I hope you folks enjoy the tour.
All right, Rankin family, I'm excited about this one because as you see this Newmark homes, you have that stucco exterior. Plus you have the slant on the top, which definitely adds a unique touch to the property. And as soon as we walk into the covered front porch, you're gonna notice the glass paneled front door. And then as soon as we walk in, look how beautiful this property is. I mean, you can even see the kitchen towards the back plus the living room. But what we'll do is we'll start in the first bathroom. And as you can see right here, beautiful bathroom. It has that nice modern look. You have the shower backsplash right there, the quartz countertop with the black faucets, plus the black fixtures up there, which adds a nice touch. And as soon as we walk into the first bedroom, you're gonna notice the LED ceiling fans, plus the recessed lighting. And then also you have the clear story windows on the top, plus the double windows right here. And you notice they have the window grids inside. Funny thing is that the window grids used to hold the panes together, but now they just use it for more of a decorative look. Some people like the just clear windows. So let me know in the comments what you think. And then you're gonna have your closet right here. So decent sized closet. Again, the good thing is about this one is the flooring extends in here as well. So that's absolutely perfect. And then now what we'll do is we'll head to essentially an office right here. You can have it closed off, but you'll notice your Sputnik chandelier right there. And you have your built-in shelvings, essentially a nice center for some decorative pieces and just having some, places in there just to store some things. And then you have your cabinetry on the bottom. Right there would be your 2-car garage. And then that would be essentially your hall tree or what have you. And you notice your triangular ceiling, recessed lighting with your great chandelier coming down as well. And then you have your quartz countertops. It's a waterfall countertop, which is absolutely unique. And then right here will be your built-in microwave with your stainless steel built-in oven, as well as your pantry right here. So a great size to store anything that you need to, maybe canned goods, hamburger helper, what have you. And then right here it extends with the quartz countertops with your pot filler right there. Backsplash, I think it adds a great touch to the whole aesthetic of this property. I mean, even with the backsplash matching the countertops, it looks fantastic. Plus you have your white cabinetry up there with the gold trim right there, gold knobs. And then you have your stainless steel hood, plus you have your stainless steel dishwasher and the black cabinetry right there towards the bottom with the gold trim as well. Backsplash actually extends right there, so that's very unique. Has more of that like ceramic brick looking tile. Plus you have that recessed lighting coming down, which adds a lot of lighting to the kitchen. If you ever want to turn the camera on and be the next Martha Stewart or next chef, you got it. This would be the perfect place for you. And then you have your little dining room area right here, plus open to the living room. So this is great for entertaining guests, having a lot of folks in here because you have the high ceilings and you just have a lot of added room. This is definitely unique, has more of that triangular effect, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Adds a lot of natural light into it. So that way, if you want to turn off the lights and just have a lot of the natural light throughout the day, you'll have perfect space for it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Plus you have the 5-inch baseboards going along the property. And this will be your primary bedroom. So this will have your recessed lighting plus your gold chandelier, plus the 2 lights that are overlooking the 2 nightstands, which is definitely a great look. As you can see right there, it matches the chandelier, gives it a nice touch. And then right here, you're gonna have your sliding door going into your primary bathroom. And as you see, I mean, it's great space. It's enough for a lot of the furniture that you may need. A lot of times you may have more furniture, less furniture. So this just gives you a basis of what it would look like. But I think that's very unique. I know this is an upgrade. You may or may not like it, but this will just give you a feel of what it would look like with those lamps overlooking the 2 nightstands. Okay, so now we'll go to the primary bathroom. As you see, you still have enough room in here. This one, you will only have your standalone shower. Obviously, there's options if you want to add the soak-in tub in there, plus a shower. They usually call it a super shower, but it's enough space right here. You have your clear story window up there as well to add a lot of natural lighting. Plus, you have the backsplash that matches the countertops in here, which is definitely great. Plus, you have the matching shower head right there. And just look, I mean, it's very beautiful, very basic, but it gives that nice aesthetic touch to the property. If you notice, a lot of the bathroom lighting fixtures on the top are all congruent with one another, which is definitely great. Sometimes you may see it differs, but I think it just adds uniformity throughout the property. But you have your light gray cabinetry with the black knobs right there, and a great size walk-in closet with your recessed lighting on the top. So it adds a great lighting in here, and then you have your built-in shelving right there. So yeah, it's a great property. I mean, usually this model, this floor plan comes with 4 bedrooms. This will be a 5-bedroom one. So you'll have 2 bedrooms downstairs plus 3 up. And the interesting thing about Newmark Homes is that they have over 50 floor plans. I mean, there's so many options that you have at your disposal, depending on what you like, dislike, and it's almost impossible to understand the amount of variations that you can have in each property. But this will just give you a great basis of what it would look like for this particular floor plan. And now what we'll do is we'll take a look upstairs. As you see right here, the carpet extends upstairs. And I get some clients that love carpet upstairs, and I also get a lot of clients that despise carpet upstairs. But it's interesting because if you've ever fell down the stairs or you ever, hear kids running upstairs, you definitely want some carpet up there just to kind of lighten the impact of running. You don't hear it as much downstairs. But this will be your open game room right here. You can have a pool table in here, put a couch up here, maybe a TV, and it'll just be cozy. And then you notice this will be your 3rd bedroom right here. Pretty decent size. You got your window grids right there, the 2 windows as well. Plus you have your LED ceiling fans in here. So this would be great for a small child, small kid, someone that doesn't need too much room. And then the next one we'll go to, it'll be the 4th bedroom. So as you see right here, pretty standard, pretty similar to the other bedrooms as well. This one looks like it's a little bit bigger, maybe about a foot bigger or so. You have your window grids in there as well. And then this will show you, so you have your nightstand in here, plus your dresser, your bed. So, I'd say maybe a queen size bed would fit pretty good in here, but no bigger than that. And then what you have is your walk-in closet right there with the window extended in there. And then this will be your bathroom. So pretty standard for the most part. But if you notice what I said earlier, you have your lighting fixtures that extends in here, quartz countertops, you have your tile flooring, unique design, zigzag design, and this will be your 5th and final bedroom. As you can see right there, you have your nice accent wall with your recessed lighting. So again, this will be something maybe for a smaller child. Nothing too major, but with that primary bedroom downstairs plus that other bedroom downstairs, you definitely have plenty of space in here. And this will be your attic right here. So you can just make sure you lock it if you're not utilizing it, but it'll be great to store Halloween decorations, Christmas decorations, things like that, without having to travel up those wooden stairs that are kind of flimsy and kind of sketch. But yeah, that'll be a total of 5 bedrooms. So as you can see right there, even looking down, you have plenty of space, plenty of room for the family, for yourself, for a growing family, even 2 or 3 people. You have plenty of space. And again, it usually comes standard with 4 bedrooms, but this will be a 5th bedroom. And even just looking at that kitchen, look how beautiful that is. That's just one of those picture perfect kitchens that you see on HGTV, things like that. And then now we'll take a look at the backyard. So this is a 50-foot lot, gives you a basis of how it would look. So as you can see right there, you have plenty of space. You have your covered backyard patio. You have the concrete slab right there that just kind of adds enough room to put a patio out there and just kind of sit out there and hang out. And this will be the back of the property. So as you can see, absolutely beautiful.
All right, folks, I hope you absolutely enjoyed this property tour. If you did and you want more information about it, link in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.